If you're tired of your coffee getting cold before you finish it, the Nextmug Temperature-Controlled, self-heating coffee mug might just be the gadget you've been waiting for. This sleek, 14-ounce black mug is designed to keep your drink at the perfect temperature for hours using its built-in smart heating base. Just set your preferred heat level, warm, hot, or piping, and the mug maintains it automatically. Many users love how it completely changes their coffee or tea routine. Instead of microwaving lukewarm drinks over and over, they get consistent heat from the first sip to the last. Reviewers on Amazon praise the modern design, sturdy build, and the fact that it's rechargeable. One charge can keep it working all day. Some even say it's become their favorite work-from-home accessory. But the Nextmug isn't without its drawbacks. Some reviewers point out that it's on the pricier side compared to traditional mugs. A few users also mention that it doesn't keep drinks boiling hot, but rather within a comfortable drinking range, which might not satisfy those who prefer very high heat. Others found it a little heavy compared to a normal mug, and there have been occasional complaints about battery life not lasting as long as advertised with constant use. Taking both the pros and cons into account, the Nextmug currently holds a 4.4 out of 5-star rating on Amazon, showing that most buyers are very satisfied, but it's not completely without its flaws. Overall, the Nextmug is best for people who value convenience and like to sip their coffee or tea slowly without worrying about it getting cold. It may not be perfect for everyone, but for many, it's a game changer in their daily routine. Click the link in the description for a special discounted price, and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon secrets revealed.